You might have heard of Chat GPT by now. The AI that's taking over people's homework, yeah. But today we are going to be looking at Chat GPT and how it can code a game, okay? So, we have 3 objectives for Chat GPT. Make an egg collection system. Okay, that's objective 1. Objective 2, the egg spawns in random positions. And objective 3, you win a prize after collecting all eggs, okay? I've already made the prompt, so make an egg collection system in Roblox. There are 3 eggs in a folder in workspace called egg 1, egg 2, egg 3. And this should be a local script, okay, inside text label, which when the egg says click with a click vector, inside the egg destroys and the counter goes from 0 to 3 to 1 out of 3, not 0 to 3, okay? And the folder is called collectible eggs in workspace. So if you see in the workspace, I put a folder called collectible eggs, okay? Next, you can create a script in local script inside the text label to achieve this functionality. Here's how you can do it. So he's given the code, okay? So very good code actually, but it says model. So yeah, I created a prompt that said, sorry, I meant a part. So if you look there, it says it's a model, but we want the object to actually be a part, because if I show you, you can see that the actual thing is a part, okay, not a model, and that's what I meant to say, okay? Then we're going to, so he gave us a new script which changed the final part to final part to a part instead of a model, okay? So I pasted that into the local script inside the text table, because that's what I said, okay? And this is what the script is. So let local text table equals script.parent, that's good. Eggs folder is in the workspace called collectible eggs. The initialize counter, so collectible eggs at the start is 0, okay? So that's good. The total eggs, we've changed it to 10. And update counter, so this is just making the actual 0 out of 1, 0 out of 2, yeah? Not, what am I doing? 0 out of 3, 0 out of 4, yeah? So collect eggs, so the egg destroys and the collected eggs goes up by 1. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And this is just using this function and iterating through every part in the folder. That's what ChatGPT said. If you see, he said that it iterates through each thing, okay? So it iterates through the children of collectible eggs, okay? And that's basically what it's doing, and that's that. So it should work, so we're going to test it. So I tested it, and when you click it, it works. So now I made a prompt called now make these eggs spawn in random positions on the workspace and use a server script inside server script service called egg spawn, okay? So that's, yeah, all pretty self-explanatory. It's finding the egg, putting it, oh, it's finding a template. We don't want a template. I wrote there are already 3 eggs in the folder. Do not make a template model. And this is the script it came up with. So it now iterates through each egg in the egg folder and it randomizes the position. You can see it worked. However, some of the eggs were floating. So again, I wrote one issue is that the eggs are floating. It did something weird. It gave me ray casting. Well, I copied it anyway, put it in, and obviously it didn't work. Okay, so I told it you do not need ray casting. Now what I did was randomize the egg position, and it worked. Okay, so then what I did, we're going to do a third objective. So then the third objective is you win a prize after collecting all eggs. So it'll be end. So you know those ends of an, what am I saying? The end of an obby where you get all the prizes, all the floaty things, the carpets, all that. That's what I searched for. So end of an obby. put that into the workspace. Added a part called TP, so the player will spawn there. That's what we want. So after all the eggs are collected, this is what I typed to Chat GPT. After all the eggs are collected, the player gets teleported to a part, so a different place. That doesn't work, so because things teleport service, which obviously won't work. So I said by teleport I mean change the player's position, and then it understood, and it gave me this script. So I placed it into the collect egg, and one thing they didn't do is we don't have a player variable, so I changed that to game.players, and then changed it. So you want to change it to the game.works with your TP the position, okay? I tested it, so click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the final 2, 9, and oops, 10. Boom! And that's the game done. Chat GPT has made us a functioning game. This will get to the top page. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.